We'll guide you through how to create a calendar in Figma. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Figma on your desktop and create a new project by clicking on the plus icon in the top left corner. You want to start with a blank canvas. So select the frame tool by pressing F on your keyboard, drag to create a large rectangle on your canvas. This will be the base for your calendar. Next, you'll need to divide this frame into a grid layout. Click on the frame you've created, then look for Layout Grid in the Properties panel on the right. Click the plus sign next to it and choose Grid from the dropdown. Set your grid to 7 columns to represent the days of the week. You can adjust the gutter and margin to your preference for better spacing. Now, you'll want to add the days of the week. Use the text tool by pressing T and click at the top of each column to type in the day names like Monday, Tuesday, and so on. Make sure the text is aligned center for a neat look. Now let's add the dates below each day. Use the text tool again to enter the numbers for each day of the month. You can do this manually, or if you want to speed things up, use a plugin like Calendar Generator. Go to the Plugins tab at the top, search for Calendar Generator, and run it to automate this step. You can customize the appearance by selecting your preferred font, size, and colors in the Properties panel. To make it visually appealing, consider adding a header or title area above the calendar grid. Use shapes and lines to separate sections if needed. You can also add interactive elements like buttons for navigation between months by using Figma's prototyping features. Once satisfied with the design, make sure to organize your layers and group related items for easy editing. And that's it. You've created a professional looking calendar in Figma. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.